Guys, good evening. It's your boy Aquinas Padre, the crypto guy. So straightforward, let's go to setting up your metamask on. I'm going to be using QA browser. Okay, now you cannot, it's not wise, it's not very it's not professional for you to just go into your browser and type metamask extension to download blah blah blah. No, you might go and download the wrong one. So the right way to download metamask is to go to metamask.io. This is the official website. You can now have link link to download. Now you can download this on Play Store and blah blah blah. On your Kiwi browser, you can click on these three dotted lines here so that we can switch it to desktop mode, so that our phone will be acting like a PC. All right, good. So now that we'll switch to desktop mode. You can see now it's showing you can download this for Chrome, right? That's what we want to do. Let me show you all those other options that are here. I like to switch to the dark mode, please. Thank you. All right, so what we need to do from here now is to click on this download for Chrome. Now if you want to read all these plenty things that are here, you can read how to getting started. You can see there's a short video for you on how to get started. Now it's advisable you watch this video if you are new. Now but I can't do all those things because we need to save time. All right, so I'm going to click on this download now, and then it's going to take me to the Chrome site where I can download this. Now Kiwi browser support this, Yandex browser also support. I don't know any other for a mobile phone, right? But for your laptop, any of the browser can do. So all you need to do is click on this add to Chrome, right? Add to Chrome. Yeah, okay, add to Chrome. MetaMask has a very strong security, and I might not be able to record the plays that I'll be creating the account, like setting up my password and the rest. It might not show in the video. Okay, so I'm going to, because I've tried it before and it didn't work, so I'm going to be very quick with that, so that if it works or not, I won't you won't end up looking at a very blank space. All right, so getting started, we're going to click on getting started. You have to agree to these terms. Agree. You can read it. Now there are two ways of setting up your wallet. Let me quickly switch it to a desktop mode. I told you if you want to switch to your desktop mode from this keyword browser anytime, you can click on these three dotted lines. So I'm going to switch to desktop mode so that I'll be seeing it very better. You have two options here to set up a new account. You can either import this or you can create a new one. Now if you have a seed phrase already for your Trust wallet or any other wallet you've been using before, you can click on this import to import it, okay? Or you can create a new one. So I'm going to be creating a new one today. I want to believe we all new today. So create a new wallet. Now you need to enter a password. I don't know if you are still seeing this. Now this password you are creating in this page, well, even though if the video is not showing, at least you can hear my voice. The password you are creating in this page is quite different from the seed phrase we've been talking about. This password is just, it gives you access to the metamask, but your seed phrase is still different. Okay, yeah, don't say somebody's with my seed phrase is not with my password, they can't access. No, you can access your account. Somebody can always set up a new password with your seed phrase, though this one is just for this particular app. So I'm going to set up this password. Don't bother about me. I'm going to delete all this thing I'm doing. So my password here is going to be Aquinas training group, or let me just put training group as my password. Yeah, so I just set training group as my password. The password has to be minimum of 8 characters, right? So training group again. All right, then you have to accept this term and then create. All right, good. So now you can still watch this video. I'm going to switch to on desktop mode. You can watch this video, blah blah blah, to see what the recovery phase and all of these are. Well, I don't have time for that, so I'm going to click on next here. Then this page, this is the place for us to, if I click on this place now, it's going to review my security phrase, the secret phrase we've been talking about. You need to save it somewhere, write it down, save it. So I'm going to review it. All right, so you can see here, this is the this is the seed phrase, right? Breeze, novel, search, blah, history, on blah blah. So that's the seed phrase we've been talking about. You can save it somewhere, or you can do it later, but you need to save it somewhere, so that if anything happens to this your phone or to your wallet, you can always come back to your wallet and restore it with that seed phrase. So this seed phrase, this is the most important thing in your trust wallet, in your any of your wallet, and here seed phrase, that's the most important thing. This is the key to your wallet, so always keep it safe. So I'm going to click on next. Now what you need to do here, go back again. Alright, so now what you need to do is to copy this seed phrase somewhere, right? And then in the next page, you will have to repeat all these phrases as it is shown here. Alright, so I first of all had to write down my seed phrase, right, so that I'll be able to answer the next page very well. Alright, so we'll go next. Now we're going to enter back the seed phrase as we saw the other time. So the first one is brace. So we're going to tick on this. This is brace. That's to authenticate with the first one we saw there. This is novel. This is search. I just hope this video is showing, but normally the security on this stuff won't allow it to show. But if it's not showing, you can fast forward it and then keep on with the rest of the class. Hunt, spice, mail, pave, souls, album, double, forget. Alright, so that's done. Then you confirm this. Alright, so all is done. You can see congratulations, you're done with setting up of your seed phrase and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna click on done, and then we have our wallet. So this our metamask is up and running. It's an Ethereum based wallet, so by default the network is on Ethereum. Alright, now when you click on this drop down here, you see all the network. Okay, it's only an Ethereum network that is here, right? Yeah, but I will show you as we proceed on how to add more network like the Binance Smart Chain and the likes. You can add those network with the help of the chain list. All right, so we're going to get to that briefly. So quickly, let's go to settings. Let's see if we can do one or two settings. Let's go to settings. All right, so let's go to setting. No, not here. Click on this guy that look like one balloon. Click on that guy, and then you can go to settings. You can see you can create another account, import another account, blah blah blah. You can have multiple accounts on this same wallet. Alright, so I'm going to go to settings now, so I'll show you what we have here. First of all, the currency that this wallet is using is this Ethereum, but I want to switch to fiat so that my currency will be measured in USDT. Alright, it's easier for me to comprehend, to understand like that. Now this one here, say hide tokens without balance. All those ones we're going to leave it. You can click on network here. Network, if you want to enable testnet. Okay, these ones are test network. It's for people that use the testnet, airdrop and the likes. If you want all these GUI testnet and the rest, you can enable them here, or let me go to advanced. I think it's from the advanced you can enable test network. So there are a lot of stuff on these things you can do. I'm going to do the one that value to me now. I don't think I need the rest. So this is test network. You can enable this test network. This test network are not really, they are for testing sake. Okay, I won't do much into that. But once I've enabled the test network, you can see they'll be showing here now. These are the test network, GUI testnet, and blah 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 blah. One thing with this wallet I want you to know is this address, the address of your wallet. Here's the address here. If you want to send any coin here, you copy this address and then you send. Now this address is the same for all the wallets you have on this particular metamask. If I want to send USDT, the address is going to be the same. If I want to send Ethereum, the address is going to be the same. Even if I want to send USDT in another network, the address is the same. The only thing is, once you send this coin, if it's USDT, it's going to appear USDT, but the address are the same. Okay, that's the joy of metamask. Once you have somebody say give me your address, just send him that address. If the person is sending USDT, it's the same address. If he's sending Ethereum, it's the same address. And if he's on another network too, it's the same address. All you need to do is to switch to the network. You can switch your network from this place. This one is currently on Ethereum, but you can add more network. If you click on add network, you add the network name, the RPC, you are the chain ID, and the rest. Those are a long way, but I'm going to show you an easier way of adding network, because of course we have to add Binance Smart Chain. We'll be needing that one. All right, so if you want to import tokens, you can see I have only Ethereum here. So if I want to add another token, how can I do? Click on this import tokens, like here, like this, import tokens. All right, and then you can type the name of the coin you want to add. Let me check for if I can have Aptos here. Okay, we don't have Aptos yet, but let's look for Matic, for instance. Now we have, this is Matic here, so I can add Matic. But now I was telling you guys earlier in the VM that adding coin like this, now this particular Matic could be many, there will be many fake, many replica of this Matic. How do I know that the Matic I'm adding is actually the real Matic? You can do that with the contract address. Now let me take you to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. You can also get contract address of any coin on CoinMarketCap. So if you don't have this CoinGecko app, you can download it on Play Store, CoinGecko app. Go to search, for instance, let's look for Matic. Let's look for the contract address of Matic. Matic is Polygon Matic. So this is Matic here. All right, to get the contract address, you scroll down here. You can see here, this is contract address, right? So scroll down, you see the contract address. Now this first one is the contract address on the Ethereum network, and you can see that my metamask is on Ethereum network. This is on Polygon network, this is on Binance Smart Chain network, and blah 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 and blah blah. So I'm going to copy the contract address for the one on Ethereum network, because the metamask is on Ethereum network. If I switch that particular metamask to Polygon network and I want to add Matic, I'll have to come and copy this particular one. The contract address is different for any particular coin, on depending on the network that the coin is. All right, so know that now. And even if I want to buy Matic on Uniswap or on PancakeSwap, I need to come get this contract address, so that I'll be sure. If it's on Binance Smart Chain network, I'll copy the one on Binance Smart Chain network, which is this one. All right, if it's on Ethereum network, I'll copy the one which is this. All right, I don't want to make it too bulky for you or pile a lot of things on your head, but now I've copied the contract address. Then I'll come here to add, to search for it with the contract address. Right now, with this, now I'm sure that this is actually Matic on the Ethereum network that is given, because I've added it with the contract address. So I'm going to click here to add the token. All right, so next, import tokens, and bingo, we should be here. So Matic is here. You can see you have your Matic here now. All right, so that's done. The next thing, quickly, because I think this video is already long enough, quickly I will show you how you can add other network, because now all I can see here is just only Ethereum. That's the main net I see here. All the rest are test network. If you want to add another network, you can use this add network tool, but of course you need to have all those details. But there's an easier way of doing it. These guys help you to they provide details of all the many of the major networks, right? So chainlist.org. I'm going to be uploading this video on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to be dropping this link, and also the link to this metamask.io, where we first started to download this thing. So to download the extension, so I'm going to enter this chainlist.org, and of course this will even give me a little bit of chance to show you how you can connect your metamask to all these things. Now this is chainlist.org. This is their website. First of all, what you need to do is to connect your wallet. This is the place for you to click and connect your wallet. So I'm going to click on connect here. Nope, this is not the wallet I'm looking for. Connect your wallet. Alright, this my Tallyho wallet is disturbing me. I'm going to disable it because it's another wallet. So let me pause this video and disable the Tallyho from disturbing me. Or no need. See these options here that say that I want to use another wallet. Yes, so I'm going to use another wallet. No, close this window. So I'll click on connect. It should give me option to use another wallet now. My metamask should pop up now. Alright, so my metamask is up, and I'm going to click on connect metamask. right, I wonder why this thing is taking too long. Let me go back to, let me refresh again. Let's go back to chain list and see whether we're already connected. Chainlist.org. Sometimes doing all these things can be very stressful sometimes, but you have to be patient with them. Click on connect wallet. Alright, good, our wallet is connected. You see that first time we did it's already connected. So since my this is chainlist.com, I'm using, let me put it on the desktop mode so that I can see very well. So click on this connect again. Your wallet is already connected. So this is chainlist.com. If I'm looking for any network now, I can type the name of the network here. But if the network is already down here, there's no need of typing. You can just add them. You can see Ethereum network is here, Ethereum mainnet, Avalanche C network, Optimism, Arbitron, and the likes. Anyone you are not seeing here, you can type it. Now I have Binance Smart Chain. That's the one I will add. Binance Smart Chain and Matic Polygon. So all you need to do to add this network is to click on this add here. So I'm going to click on add, and then now I've clicked on this add. Right now, if it's not showing you, you need to go to your wallet to approve it. How can you go to your wallet to approve it? When you click on add here, go down where you add here, then go down to the browser. Now these three dotted lines here, bring it down. You see your metamask extension. Now you can see my metamask extension here. You can see as it's showing. Anything you do here, you have to approve, or if not, it will not go. You can see as it's showing here. With this one sign that is shown here, it means there's a pending transaction for me, waiting for me to approve. So I'm going to click on it. I'll come back to the wallet to approve it. Yes, this is what you are doing. Allow this site to add this network. I'm going to add Binance Smart Chain. You can see the network URL, the chain ID, and then the currency symbol. So I'm going to approve it. And then it's asking me if I want to switch from the Ethereum network to Binance Smart Chain. Switch the network. I got it. So this is my Binance Smart Chain network. You can see here, and like I told you earlier, you can see that the address is still the same address. Now I don't like seeing this thing that is showing account 1. If I want to change it to my name, let's go click on these three dotted lines, and then you can change it. Here you can see account details. So here I can click on this thing that looks like a pencil to edit the account name. Let me put this at a training group. Alright, so it's good. Alright, so if anybody asks you for your address, you can either use this address. Some people prefer this barcode. You can send them this barcode and they can send you money. So that's good. I think we are done with setting up our wallet, setting up our metamask. Alright, so that's all about the setting up of the metamask. I'm going to stop the video here, and in the next video we're going to be looking at how to make a swap, Uniswap, Pancake Swap, and how to make a swap on the different network. Okay, I think I said I was going to add Polygon, so let's go back to our chain list. Let's go to chain list. Chainlist.org. You can see I've tried to be a little bit slow as I can with this video, so that alright, this is wrong. It's chainlist.org. so yeah, I think yeah, this is correct. So I'm going to connect the wallet again so that I can add my Polygon network. So this is how you add your Polygon. Just click on add here, and then go to the wallet to approve it. Anything you do, you must go to the wallet to approve. Alright, so I'm going to click on approve here, and then I'll switch to my Polygon network. You can see we're on Matic now. Alright, so we are done. This is how you do, basically this is how to set up your metamask wallet. Alright, and you can see metamask have in-app swap. You can use this one to swap between some coins. Alright, if you want to swap Matic to any token, you can select it here and swap, and I think their rate is pretty fair. Right, but the main thing we're going to be doing, what we're doing this is, it's not going to be making use of Uniswap. We're making use of more exchanges like the Uniswap. We're not going to be making use of this InSwap. This one is just a quick way. If you want to sharply swap to any you can use that. But we're going to be making use of Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and the likes, for so that we get ourselves really prepared for our upcoming trade. All right, thanks for your time. It's your boy Aquinas Power Great, the crypto guy. If I give you value for this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.